Hey, good day, friends. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. We're about a week out from Christmas, and I had fallen here in the shop so far behind on everything here, everything in my home, details, maintenance stuff, just normal things of life. I have fallen so far behind everywhere because of my almost 2.5 year tenure at Lowe's. It's just unbelievable. So customers and friends out there that have been knock, 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 hey, what's the status? How's it going? I acknowledge you. I recognize you. And things are going to get back on track here next week because they just are. I've been able to catch up on a tremendous amount of things here and at my home. They're not all done yet, and they never will be, but a big chunk of them are done. Things I've also been putting off has been this Triumph TR, not a Triumph TR, it's a Triumph GT6. That car right there. It's taken a lot of time to hang this thing in a rotisserie because it's just taken a lot of time to do this. Build these little brackets on here, put the frame support mechanisms on the inside, not frame support mechanisms, I'm not saying that correctly, the bracing on the inside of the car. The owner of this car, he had one up here, but it was in the way, and frankly, I'll be able to do a better job than that welding one in. This right here is a result of that, that hole, but I'll get that fixed. So the intent is on this car is to, of course, get it on this rotisserie, finalize getting it on this rotisserie, get it media blasted, and then do a lot of the metalwork on this vehicle. I think it needs a new floor, maybe a couple holes here and there. Not a whole lot, but just enough to, have a fun little car and get it done. This won't be too long. The Jeep, that's like next in line after this thing, and this thing should be done tomorrow. But get this Jeep finished. And then, of course, the Porsche, the 79 Porsche up here, get going on that thing. And then the big thing that I've been doing also, which is I have been putting it off, has been this trailer. Let me just show you that right now. So here I am in this trailer, my trailer. Put the diamond plate down. It's not welded in yet. It's not even tacked in yet, but it will be. It's just amazing. Just moving the trailer ever so slightly, these plates, these floor plates shift around drastically. Well, what's going to happen is this is going to be tacked in place tomorrow. All these little plates, these are huge plates. All these steel floor plates will be tacked in place so they will not move anymore. The weight of the plates cumulatively will stay in place on the frame underneath these diamond plates, and then I'll get underneath it and weld it all in together. So a lot of little projects going on, a lot of big projects going on that I am finally getting a chance to catch up on. So there it is. See ya. Okay, so on the video right here, I'm making a video, obviously. Got the floor in, the diamond plate. It's about 80% welded on the top. I haven't welded anything underneath the floor yet because I got to put this in the shop on the lift, pick the trailer up, get underneath it, weld in where needed, and then caulk underneath it, seal it up, and then put some rust preventative measures and maintenance underneath this trailer, clean it up, scale the rust, put some POR 15 down or rust bullet or something on the underside of this trailer, to help preserve it, things like that. And then come in and weld up the top side. Again, finish up the other 15 to 20% more. But I put these are the old tie downs that were in the wood floor. These were just bolted through the wood floor. So took them out, salvaged them, blasted them, primed them and painted them, and then welded them in, and of course burned up some of the some of the paint off of it. But I've only put 2 in here. I put those 2 in there, you know, in the past, a couple years ago. Put these in here, you know, tie downs. You know, something kind of tight. Maybe they need a little bit of lubrication. Put those down in the floor. Welded this down. So this diamond plate is extremely heavy. There's 5 sheets in here, and I'm willing to bet each sheet weighed probably 200 pounds or more. 1/8 inch thick, brutally heavy stuff. The only one I didn't have to cut was this one. Everything else had to be trimmed to fit. Up here, I put the winch in, the electric winch, tie in the floor, make those floor pieces, redo the inside, as I said earlier in the video. So it's a big chunk done. I've been putting this off for a long time, but no more. I just wanted to share that this can be done. This can be achieved. It's a lot of work to do this. It was a ton of work to do this. But now that I'm no longer at Lowe's, I can do stuff here that needs to get done, and this was one of those things. Another one that needs to get done is this Alpha. So it is not neglected, it's not forgotten, it's going to be done. Okay, there we go. See ya. Cheers.